Hi, in this screencast, I'm going to show you the positive feedback and constructive criticism I had received from the teacher who answered my Google form. So I'm just going to slide through to show you. And you can see that she talked about the classroom that she taught in, the years she's been teaching for. And then here is where she wrote this really nice paragraph on how the presentation worked well and the things that I did right while doing so. So I'll just give you a second to read that. And then if you continue down, she shows a recommendation on how to improve it, which I thought was really constructive of her. And then lastly, she shows that the language within my flipped classroom itself was positive and matched up with the level and age that I was teaching with.